Hi, and welcome back. I think I've came to a decision on what I'm going to do about the pillar. I think I am going to take the old one completely off and dry fit the new one to the old panel, just to make sure that that's not supposed to be in there. And going by what that looks like, I may take the new pillar apart and take that front apron piece, take it completely off, and start putting my new stuff on and fitting the front of the pillar to the new piece, and then attaching the back on it later. That was kind of risky because I don't have any skills in doing that, but I figure it's the best way to learn is just to go ahead and just do it, just jump right in. And that's the only way you're gonna up your skill, I guess. And two, if I completely mess it up, I can buy a new part or save up and have somebody come and professionally do it. But I think I'm gonna try my hand at it first and see if I can get everything to line up right and look halfway decent. So I think tonight we're gonna go back to the pillar, try to grind that weld down, maybe center punch some spot welds and start drilling those out. Don't know if I'll get it off tonight, but we'll see how far we get. It's already about 12:30, and I have a mandatory meeting in the morning at work, so I don't want to be out here too late, but I want to do something. Anyway, so stick around and we'll start tearing into that and seeing what we got. I think we're gonna try to break this weld up here first, and then we'll start center punching and drilling those out. I'm getting a little concerned why I haven't broke that weld yet. Don't really know how far this goes down. If anybody knows, let me know. I have a feeling it's right in here. But I want to look into that. And I think we're going to center punch some of these. Guess I kind of answered my own question. This one has a distinct weld in that tab. So I know the other side should be about the same. So I need to measure that. Yeah, I'm getting pretty close. This needs to come in a tad and comes about right there. Apparently there's a spot weld in here too. Sorry. Anyways, I think I need to shave this down a little bit right here. About right here, come across. And there's a spot weld, I think, right in here. I'm kind of frustrated with that at the moment, so I'm gonna take a breather and turn my attention to this area so we can get a little bit more paint removed. So I kind of feel like I accomplished something tonight. I plan on getting from here straight down and over if my sander can make it. We have a little bit of damage right here. So you can tell it's kind of scuffed up. I guess where they were trying to adhere the Bondo. We got a little dent right there. It's kind of a little bit wavy. I think we can make it work. I don't know if you saw it, but when I hit this area, a bunch of Bondo dust started coming off. But I think it looks pretty good so far. Let's keep working our way back, getting that all down to metal, and then we'll come up here and do the same to this, because when I repainted this, I didn't get it down to metal. I just hit the rusty spots, which are coming back through. But I'm pretty happy. I think that'll be it for me tonight. I feel like I accomplished much, but I see a little bit more done. I'm just afraid that some of these videos are just gonna be repetitive, because I am gonna take y'all on everything I do. So it's gonna be a lot of sanding, but I think we can fix that, get all this straightened up. And if not, then let's try it again until we get it right. If I got my measurements, it's 39 between the hinges and 39 in the middle. And so I think as long as we get that squared away with the back post, we should be good and somewhat square enough to fit the doors. But yeah, we'll keep working our way back on that bed and try to take this pillar off and this front piece here. And I need to order this front fender apron. And then I think I'll take your advice too. Somebody mentioned putting a tube between the firewall and the front to keep it kind of sturdy and square so it doesn't move on you when you take these off. And I'm gonna be replacing all that on this side, so I'll probably buy me a piece of square tubing and weld in there to keep it straight. But I think tomorrow we'll clean this up, or this weekend, and get all this back the way it was, sweep everything out and get it somewhat tidy, because it makes me anxious when there's stuff just thrown about. Anyways, clean this up and then we'll keep at it. Anyways, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Thanks for watching if you watched all the way through. And if you did watch all the way through, let me know what you think about the new Bronco. I think it looks pretty neat. Wouldn't mind having one, but nothing beats the old Broncos, in my opinion. But yeah, leave a comment down below what you think about the new ones. Anyways, thank you to all my subscribers. I never thought I'd get to 60, let alone 10. So it really keeps me motivated. Makes me feel like at least some people are getting some enjoyment out of it. I guess seeing me struggle through all this is kind of funny. But we'll get through it, and like I said, I plan on documenting everything I do to it. That way, I'll just have, I don't know, it'll be a bunch of videos. And if y'all ever get tired of seeing the Bronco, then let me know. We can switch it up. I can bring one of my trucks in, or bring the Camaro in. I need to do suspension on it, or work on the Healy some more in the back. But other than that, I'm gonna keep trucking on this and hopefully get this going within a couple of years. Like I said, that's my goal. Hopefully sooner, but we'll just have to see. I just want to say thanks again, and please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and really helps me get going. So I guess I'll see you on the next.